Accidents happen, but many could be prevented if proper safety measures were in place. Today, David Greene from Greene and Phillips Personal Injury Lawyers joins us to shed light on cases involving premises liability. David, good to see you as always.
Good to see you.
All right, premises liability is one of those terms that most in the general public don't know exactly what that means.
Well, that's right, and that's one of those things you just don't know. It can be a trip and fall, a slip and fall. It could be an incident where something falls on you if you're walking by a construction site, maybe you're patron or around a mall or something. Premises liability is anything to do with property. It's not like an auto case because it's different in the way because it's on a premises.
So you mentioned a few of those things. Are those kind of the examples of where a lawyer may be able to help with a case?
Yeah, as a matter of fact, for many years we've handled cases in grocery stores or just any kind of store, department stores, malls, that type of thing, tripping on a curb, things of that nature. And so it's just different because folks are injured, they're not sure what to do. They need to make sure they talk to a lawyer to get the advice that they need.
Yeah, so at what point should they say, okay, this may be serious or maybe it isn't, or they don't know? When do they talk to a lawyer?
It never hurts to call a lawyer like the lawyers at Greene and Phillips just to get some free advice. Never cost anything to talk to us. Sometimes folks don't really realize that they're hurt. You know, they trip, they fall, they have a serious, I'm thinking of cases. I've got a case up in the country where a lady fell at a hospital, just wasn't really sure. I mean, she was pretty severely injured, but after the fact, she figures out she has a broken leg and some other problems, and she just didn't really know at the time. She hurt, but she wasn't sure. Always talk to a local law firm and get the advice you need, but always report it to the authorities as well. If you're at a premises, make sure you let them know this happened on their premises.
Well, I was going to ask you that. It seems like some of these things could be he said, she said type scenarios. What is the evidence that can be involved in these cases?
Many times these days you have video. You know, everything's on video. You've got, and you just don't know who has video or who doesn't. And most of the time we can find that there's a video, and that's one of the things when you want to go ahead and get someone involved as soon as possible so that it doesn't rewrite. Many times these videos rewrite after so many days. It's just important to go ahead and talk to someone that can go ahead and send a letter of protection to get that evidence. It can make a huge difference.
All right, if anyone has a situation like this come up, or maybe one has already happened, how can they reach out to y'all at Greene and Phillips?
It's very simple. Go to greenphillips.com, fill out the contact form, or call us at 251-300-2000.
All right, David, good to see you. Thanks a lot.
Good to see you.